Hello? Yabo. Abana baba de ba class ki. Okay. Eno bus eno boka. So aba P6 bali mu ida. Okay. Aba P6 bali mu kuba bajja 7 tujja kumanya ekituufu. Navude mu nangeze erije aba fidege baba kite Kapchorwa. Lego tugenda kati. Nduse ku bus. Ndiye mu dwali zinayo nga
There is even a signpost.
We see.
Just divert.
Omukojo nalabika alwanyire motero n'esiga. Abada vero. Najja na kama asasi. In the Kasserem, we left 16. In the Balamu, we left 3. Yeah. So how many have passed on? 21. And is the director in a stable condition? He's an old man. No, he's not there. I never left him there. An old man. Endala. Bruno. Abana batugenzeko banange nemwe bali so far tulina be mwakaleta abalamu bali mameka
abasinga bali saidi ya Kasserem ne Kapchorwa abalamu
Kasserem kudwalira Kasserem so nino genda Kasserem Kapchorwa Kasserem yeriwa
After Miyembe.
Wow, that is all. We travel Balamu. So we bang. Omusomesa aliwa? Omusomesa awonya atya wannaye. Muje abana mukole kubawo. Musomesa. It's okay. So how many children have you counted that have perished? Nobody neighbors maker. Okay, it's okay. You relax. Relax. Kale mukole kuba abana babajeyo. bana musobola okaleta bagendako bombi ababiri somba kwato aliwo bimu muyambe bambi abasajja babakwatireko abalenzi bo baliwo abalala mukwate bambi naye it's going to be okay. This man is going to be okay. He's a hero. He's going to be okay. Ajja kuba bulungi akatanda ako tekavaayo. Temukwata ebifaananyi ebyo mu abaana mwe. So how many children have been invited here?
Just take
We have children who have come here already. What about the other side? But we need quick support to that young boy. I think he's mad. We need support that young man. Sergeant, I'm surviving on you.
Let's help the lady there.
You ask your sergeant, is there any other sergeant around in Bala I can call, even at a cost, to come and support these kids? No. This hospital have one surgeon. They don't know what for this hospital. I need you call me Anna. You can call from the other school. Let them come and. Hello? You come and get us drugs, hurry. Get the next border and hurry here. Yeah, you hurry. But also all other surgeons to come. Let's have more surgeons. Even I want to confirm the other hospital in Sorongo if they have surgeons in Balamu. Are there surgeons? So what do we do? So I'm saying the Balamu today need the operation. So they are all in this state. So the ones in this state are how many? Hand over them. Then I want to go with the rest. Let's go to Kapchorwa. Okay. No, it's okay. She will remain here. Let her not move anywhere. There are no other teachers the other side. Hey. You know the children who are here. Do you know their name? The ones who are here. Can you read on those, on the ones who have come here? Nene motoka abalala bagende bebaka ogundi agenda parking eri okuyakawa ejja kunkerereza ejo ngenda Kapchorwa. Yeah. Let's go. Hello? So abali okubibi omeka aliwa kati abali obibi oboteka mu vaani eyo bagende bagenda mu abasatu tebasobola kugenda mu
Yes, lacerations. She has no fracture.
Injuries.
So bali abato bali obubiri. Ngamba wana bali wano be baliwa. Abali obubiri.
Oli omusajja yes. No, this one is a different one. This one is from my marriage, but I don't have to. Not among the
so what is the problem with that? Fracture. Fracture. You can tell
Yes, because the ambulance could only talk to yes, and because the other ones were children.
So
but these ones they can only do. We are going to leave the other patient. We even this papa is fire okay. So we're taking this one in the back.
Oh yes.
Yes.
So I think for us if you want to go to Kapchorwa.
That's okay.
Doctor.
I'm called Atuseewo. Yesterday nurse attached to the Embassy Center under Balamu district local government. Today we had an incident that happened in Kapchorwa, and we lost many lives. And we had some survivors who were brought at the facility at around 9. We received 4, and 3 were transferred from Balamu Referral Hospital for further management and investigations. So far we have 2 which we have obtained here, and we have tried to resuscitate them. At least show some good improvement. Yes. They had multiple fractures, serious head injuries, and we had to arrest the bleeding, give some first aid before referral. Yes.
I believe it's midnight.
Yes.
Past midnight. But I want to thank the doctors of Mulembe Health Center, Muyembe Health Center in Balamu, where we have just reached now. Earlier on, we visited Mbale Referral Hospital, where we have already 9 children there in critical condition. Very, very critical condition. They need our prayers. Then here, they have admitted 3, 2 adults and 1 baby who has also a fracture, a young baby, maybe 10, actually like 12, who has a fracture. She must be like P2, P3. He has a fracture. So now we are proceeding to Kaseremu at the junction, and then Kapchorwa to see how many. But so far, I cannot confirm the number of those who have died. We shall only confirm when we reach Kapchorwa. But the situation is tense. It's tense. 1 bus was affected, the other bus is intact. And 1 bus had 80 children, the one which had accident. So me, I will count the ones who are alive. Here we have 3. In the other side we have, how many are there? 9. So that comes to how many? 12. So I need to go to the other hospital to know how many are alive. Then the figure of the ones who are dead will be announced by the right people. But I want to thank Honorable Mulimba, my senior elder brother, the Minister of Labor, who is in charge of workers, for allowing to, because we left a rally in Namisindwa, but we decided that from the rally, when we had the news, we cut short our rally and we left the people of Namisindwa, and their battles are ongoing, to come and give first aid and see what is happening to our children. This is our country. Yeah. So abantu b'Balamu nali wano juzi mu abalina tooyi ey'ebyamagero, tooyi etalina kinnya naye nga bagizimbira wano. Naye kati tuzze ate ku bizibu. Kati ndabye ebizibu bye mulina nga eddwaliro. Ndabye abalwadde beebaka mu mpewo wali abaza okujjanjaba abalwadde. Kati nabo bavaawo ate nga bakoze ki? Nga balwadde. So badde njogera ne Dr. Safina ono n'abanansi abatuyambyeko ne mugamba tujja kuteeka amaanyi mu malwaliro agali ku main road. Kuba mu abatuwa mu abayamba. Mwebale nnyo. Yeah.
I don't know where we are leading, but at least we have put some effort. Thank you so much.
So the other person who is there is a teacher.
This one,
That person there.
this one is
The lady.
which lady? Not
The lady that side. Go and see her. Go and see her. Inside here. Go and tell me if she's a teacher, then you come back and tell me.
Thank you.
And if I get that love, I'm going here. I think I have money. But whatever I have, I want to give you. Mujeko kamera zangu. Majali mulungi naye mambo. Ne oyo mwana embeera gy'alimu ate okumutwala emagali amalwaliro ajja kulwalira nayo eri wajjudde ajja kubeera n'owali obubiwa n'alyoke abeera awo. Then others are where? Kapchorwa. How many in Kapchorwa? These ones have stabilized. I want to thank you. There are two.
But what I've been taking
To Kapchorwa?
yes.
From this hospital? Yes. So these ones, are they for transfer or they are stable here?
They are stable here.
They are very stable.
But doctor is there.
They are stable and we are going to transfer them today. Yeah.
You have enough ambulances here?
Yeah, the ambulances, currently we are still transferring the critical ones.
To Kapchorwa?
No, to Mbale.
But I've not seen any Tumbale. I only met those ones from Muyembe.
And no, Mbale, so far we had at the Mbale site we have 9.
9, I've seen the 9.
The 9 have the ones from Bulambuli that I've told them to what? To also
Bulambuli, I've seen Bulambuli, they are just 3.
3 and they are also supposed to be taken.
Bulambuli, the one is P7 girl.
Yeah, with the
Not so, yeah. Then there is a boy who has a fracture.
Yeah.
Then the man has an injury on the head.
Yeah, that one will benefit from the CT scan. That's why we need to transfer him to Mbale. Yeah.
So this one, their director was in the car. Is he here? A man.
The director was taken to Kapchorwa.
In which condition?
He was in a good state.
He wasn't in a good state.
So Kapchorwa, they are loading 4 more. They are transferring to
Tumbale.
Mbale, but they still have some on ground that they are still stabilizing.
So far the number you have in Kapchorwa that you can confirm that those who have passed away, they are how many?
No, they are yet to give me the update.
Okay, let me go to Kapchorwa. Let me first see these ones.
Asante sana.
You rest, young man. So these ones are injured where? Okay, minimum. You are the trainer. You're in charge. Dr. Chair, can you maintain for you and I'm here with this man? Actually, in your village, only you have how many remaining here? 16 are remaining here. There were 18 to pastor. I want to thank this man, the in charge. Did you know this man called Dominic? Yeah, I've seen 2 ambulances. Take those one immediately. Let them rest. So this two you want to take from Bali now or do it now?
Currently, we have 16 members, for which we have tried to stabilize, and we feel that out of the 16, 2, we are going to further refer them to further, because we feel that they may need other further investigations which they can be of what benefit. But these other ones, we are going to reassess them in water. If in cases of anything, if they are okay, we may wait a bit more. If they further we feel that they are not feeling well, we are going to push them to for further investigations. So there are some which need chest x-rays, others need the lower limb x-rays, and we feel that it may be of great benefit. And abdominal scans. So we feel that pushing them the other side can benefit better. So, but the other ones we have done the necessary ABCs. Everything is now okay, and we just look forward to still monitoring them.
Sure.
The community actually, without this other community, I think we will have had very many fatalities, because some of them came with had to mobilize all the nurses from these other private drug shops, clinics. They have been able to at least put for us some IV lines, stabilize some as we assist the ones who needed referral, and we have referred them to the nearby facility.
How many have died from here?
Well, the ones who died on arrival were 2. So 2, but they have transferred them to the Kapchorwa General Hospital, Muchari.
The teachers are stabilizing. The teachers are stable.
One teacher is critical.
Is in good condition.
One teacher is critical.
So the most adults.
This side. I want to put the line. This leg is
So the ones who are in table special are this form.
Others are going to marry the first.
The four others I saw them in the battle. Yes, they are four. Where is that lady? I told you to call for that lady. Man, I think. Because his sister told me they were in the same bus. Then he told the sister that I want to go and sit with the P7 children. Because these ones are all P7. So I want to sit with them. Those are my cash cows. Because whenever they perform well, we get more children. Their children are their school has about 900 children. It's really unfortunate. Where is Honorable Mulongo? This is a minister. He's the one in charge of you, the workers. The Minister of Labor. He hosted me in Namisiba today. We spent our day in Namisiba, holding different meetings. But when this day happened, he was on the way to Kampala for a meeting. But he agreed that I cannot leave you to traverse in this region, mountainous region, when I'm also around. Let's work together. So we went together to Balamu Hospital. Then we traveled to Kapchorwa. I'll take the director's, the charge's number here, so that I remain in touch calling and find out how we are. The division, LC. Let's sum up with the political leaders that you are involved. I saw the chairman of the hospital, the other side in Kasarim is there. The community is involved. This is very touching. Children are touching. But you know what I saw? It's a miracle that even we have this.
Yeah, sure.
How can a bus hit a huge stone and it pushes it on the road? Oh my God.
By the time we went, it was still pressing around 5 to push the rock to allow us to pick and evacuate us. So we're able to save one among the 5.
That boy you need is painkiller.
The accident, the fatal one, so it occurred at 8 p.m. and that's when I received a call from Kasserem. One of our LOC1 called me from Chekwati, the very area, telling me of the battle involved one bus, which had occupants to him, estimated to 80, but later when we now ascertain the number, it's over 100 by then. So immediately after that, the chairman called of the unit, and that's when the chairman filed, and the in charge of Kasserem Health Center.
Don't cry, okay?
So we dispatched
I'm here for you.
the ambulances from the hospital. That is
I'm here for you.
our Type B ambulance, and then the Red Cross ambulance. By the time they reached the scene, we were told that the number is quite big, and then we called our colleagues from Muyembe Health Center 3, who also dispatched the ambulance. But unfortunately, of course, because of the bus which had crossed the road, the other ambulance couldn't cross. So immediately, our team evacuated the upper ones. Meanwhile, the Muyembe team evacuated those who were on the lower side. Yes, so for Kasserem, they had a big number, and we had to evacuate from Kasserem to hospital, involving the double cabins, the ambulances, then any other vehicle that was available. So on our side here, we're mobilized with the doctors. We mobilized the doctors, headed by the medical soup. Dr. Koro is a surgeon, and his other colleagues, around 4 doctors and 2 surgeons, and then the anesthetic doctor and the nurses. So this is our casualty we are dropping here. By then, all of us were now here. After having the numbers here, that's when now I received the call that the rock was pressing the other 5 who were still alive, but there was no one to push that rock. So that's when now we got involved. We called the LOC5, where can we get the grader so that it pushes the road. Then RDC was also at the scene. Then we called him, and he rushed. So the first thing we did was, as the teams were handling here, I rushed down with a double cabin to ensure that the other rock is pushed. By the time I reached, the grader from Tororo Quarry, Samen Quarry, had arrived, and it was now pushing. So we just arrived at the time they were pushing. Unfortunately, 4 babies, people were dead, but we were able to evacuate one. And that one was the one who went through the Muyembe route, because by then the bus was no negotiate the upper side. Secondly, we ensure that the grader helps to open the way, because the bus had crossed the way. So he had now to push the bus on the side to allow traffic to move, and all these other casualties now we had here, whom we wanted to evacuate to Mbale, the way now was open. So we called this side that the way is now what? Open, and that's when the first casualties now left Kapchorwa to Mbale. As of now, we have sent around 8, and the number is still increasing. Then I was able to link up with my colleague from Muyembe Health Center. We had 3 cases by then. One was severe, and they were transporting to Mbale. Then 2 were stable. In Kasserem, they had 16, because they had evacuated the others using
They want to deliver here some too.
Yes.
But they better take them to Bala at once.
That's how we are left.
Tell them not to come this side.
Thank you. So we agreed that all, because of the numbers here, are evacuated to Mbale. Immediately, we discussed with Commissioner John Baptist Wanyai because he had called. Because he had called on the issue of the ambulance response. So he was connecting Mbale team to support us in evacuating the others. Unfortunately, on this side, we had a big number. So we had to rush this side to support the team to ensure that the numbers are attended to. As I speak now, we came with 2 bodies from the other side, including the 7 which are reached here. So for us, the ones we have confirmed inside there was 19 by then. Then from there now I changed. I now came to support the team. We now left the other issue. Then, so in Muyembe there were 6, there were 3. In Kasarem, 16. 19 were dead. Then around here, around 69. 61 plus the 8 which were total is 107 so far in our numbers from Wembe up to here up to the Moja.
So does that confirm that the bus had that number?
That's as per the numbers that we have received. So we can't tell whether others have gone to different nearby.
Plus 16 at Kasarem, plus 3 at Yembe, plus the 9 who had already reached, the one who left in the Bali.
Yeah.
So 9 plus 3, 12, plus 16, 28. Now 28 plus the 21 already in who have joined God.
That's 49.
That's 49. So 49 minus, how many do you have here?
At the moment here, they were 61.
They were 61, but we
have no, they were 69, but we required 8.
now they are at
How come? One bus had so many people like that.
That's why I was saying around 1097 for us.
You know how many? You overloaded it.
Your names and
My
title?
names are, I'm Dr. Siraj Masai, the district health officer.
Kapchorwa.
Commiserate with the families and of
I'm told there were 2, but then one is mechanical. So they
That bus, all. That is what caused the problem.
I just want to thank the joint teams, Kapchorwa, Bulambuli, Sinon Kombale, that managed to respond very decisively. Because this is superb. And I want to agree with the Honorable Balamu that some people who think others about our medical services, this is a demonstration that there's a lot we don't know about how well and professional they can be. So, as you could see, the initiative, the responses, the reaction, quick reaction was really superb, and they've been able to save quite a number of lives. Because if you look at the wreckage, you wouldn't expect the bus, you wouldn't expect any survivors. But really, the quick reaction managed to save quite a lot of lives, even if, unfortunately, we managed to lose some. So, an accident is an accident. It can happen to anyone, anytime and anywhere. And so we really stand very strongly with those families that have lost their loved children and loved members.